Hey everyone, it's Allie and welcome back to my channel. It is time for another Boxycharm unboxing video. So for those of you who don't know, Boxycharm is a monthly subscription service. You pay $25 a month, I believe, and you get full-size products every month. Every box is guaranteed to be over $100 in value. They do also have other, I guess, levels of memberships. I have the basic Boxycharm and I've been very happy with it so far. So let's get unboxing. And if you hear a little voice in the background, that's my baby girl. You can say hello. You want to say hello? Say hello.
Hello.
Hello. Okay. This is what the box looks like this month. Let's look at the card. So it comes with the card. It tells you all the products that we got. I will leave that off to the side. Do you want to pass me? Ooh, okay. The first product that we got is by Elemis. It is a dynamic resurfacing facial pads. It's skin smoothing pads. Thankfully, right? Let's be positive here. Thankfully, my skin needs a lot of resurfacing and smoothing. Yeah, I know. It's all the stress. It's all the stress. My skin has really taken a toll. But anyways, this is... Let's see. It has a patented tri-enzyme technology with a mild lactic acid and probiotic ferment complex. Gently and effectively smooth the skin, revealing a visibly luminous complexion. Okay, so this retails for $59. So the next product that we got is by Gerard Cosmetics. It is a lip pencil in the shade Peachy Keen. I know there was some controversy with Gerard Cosmetics way back in the day. I'm not going to pretend that that didn't happen, but this is the product that we got. I feel like that's a little bright for me, but maybe I'll be bold this summer. I don't know. Now this retails for $16. Really? Okay. $16, a lip pencil. Good. Next product. Ooh. This is by Seraphine Botanicals. This is Whimsical Wisteria Conditioning Lip Polish. It says it's a lip polish, so it says a revitalizing lip polish made by blending soft sugar crystals into a rich vegan base of avocado, apricot, jojoba oils, and as well as shea and coconut butters. Okay, good. So it's like a lip exfoliant, I guess, which is really good. I've noticed lately that I've kind of always denied my lips, especially now with my skin being such a hot mess. I've been trying to focus so much on my skin, and I realized, you know, I really don't pay a lot of attention to my lips. But this retails for $24. I'm excited to try this out. Again, I'm trying to be more diligent with my lip care. Next, ooh, Studio Makeup. This is an eyeshadow palette, and it retails for $35. Oh, those are really pretty. I feel like definitely very wearable colors. I feel like definitely like my vibe, especially right now. The browns with like a little pop of pink. Okay. I feel like something smells like chocolate. I think, oop, did I get my nose? I feel like these smell like chocolate. Okay, it says creating count natural and glam looks, day and night, creamy smooth eyeshadow, texture glides on, blah, blah, blah. Okay, cool. Should we swatch some or no? Mm-hmm. Let's swatch a couple. I want to see this shade right here. And let's do this one right here. Okay. Pretty good. Let's do, which one should I try? Let's do this brown one.
Which one are you?
Oh. I have to say, just by swatching it, I am pretty impressed, so I am excited to play around with it. Maybe some people would be a little underwhelmed by this. They might feel like it's a boring palette, but to me, boring means kind of more wearable if you want to play like on the safe side. You want to put it on my arm? Go ahead. Nice. You know what? You're hired. Your swatches are so much better than mine. Look at how good that is. Look at what you did. You did a great job. Okay, she's officially my swatcher because these are my swatches and this is hers. Okay, cool. Yeah, so I'm definitely going to play around with these and see how that goes. The next product is by Pretty Vulgar, and it's their Uncaged eyeshadow primer. It retails... What?
Doing a video of using those makeups.
That's a good idea. We are going to be doing another video using these makeups. What a great idea. You're so smart. You know that? I was going to do a try on, but my daughter just had the idea that we should make another video where we actually use these makeup. Thank you. Very good idea. So this is an eyeshadow primer. We shall be testing it out. We'll test this out with that eyeshadow maybe. It says it's crease proof, fade proof, translucent finish. I don't mind like the marker and all that stuff in my hand. You know, I'm a very hands-on mom. But anyways, I have to be honest, I haven't been super impressed by Pretty Vulgar in the past, but I have been kind of wanting to play around different eyeshadow primers. I have my tried and true, which is the MAC Paint Pot for my eyeshadows, but I have been wanting to try other primers too. So I will give this a go and I'll try it out. Maybe I'll try it out with this eyeshadow.
Tell my idea.
My daughter had the lovely idea, brilliant idea, that we should actually try out all these products in another video. So I think we will be doing that. And maybe next time we'll do the Boxycharms like a try on as we open. Good idea. As a recap, we received facial pads, lip liners, a lip polish, eyeshadow, and eyeshadow primer as I drop it. Cool. I feel like that's a pretty good box for this month. Like I said, I've been pretty happy with Boxycharm for a while. I've been a subscriber for years now, but I've been pretty happy with all of my boxes. Okay, so I'm most excited about these pads, to be honest. We will give it a go. We're gonna try all these products out and I will let you guys know. If I don't let you know through like a video uploaded here on YouTube, if you want, you can take a look at my social media. I will leave all that information down below. If you wanna go ahead and follow me, and I'll try to post more updates on there. I'm not the most active on Instagram, but I'm trying. Okay, but I will leave also down in the description box a link if you want to go and sign up for Boxycharm for yourself. Again, this video is not sponsored. I just really, really like their service, and that does it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, please be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe, ring the bell, stay happy, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
So, tell them you have pimples.
I have pimples. Whoops.
You look like Elsa with a blonde wig.
I do? Oh, yeah. I look like Elsa with my hair to the side. Thank you, darling. But anyways, the Elemis Dynamic Resurfacing.
Tell them you haven't taken the makeup.
I have to take the makeup off, right? Because if you don't take your makeup off, you can get more pimples.